So guys, let's take a sound test of Sony Srx XB 13. I won't waste my time. This is Sony Srx XB 13. Let me have a sip of water. Also I will show you how to connect it with a speaker. This is my microphone. I know that you would have seen the unboxing of this tiny speaker. Yes, so this is the speaker. This is the strap, carry strap. You can carry it like a mug. It's a very lightweight speaker, professional speaker, expensive speaker. In one tap it just gets on. There's a power on button, Bluetooth button, pay pause button, play pause button, a mic and volume rockers, and a charging cable. Charging cable, as I told you, it's a type C DC 5V charging cable. And yes, Apperio Retail Private Limited, the barcodes and everything. So there's also stereo pair button. You can connect two of these things to make a stereo effect. So in one tap it just gets on. Like I click this, it just gets on, and there is no startup tune, which is actually very good. Thumbs up Sony for this thing. So it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. I'll click this. So it's Bluetooth pairing mode. I'll keep it over here. We'll turn on my phone, search for Bluetooth on. I'll scan the thing. So yes, there's the name Sony Srx XB 13. We'll pair it. So yes, it's connected. So I will play some copyright free songs right now, and I will show you how's the quality. Go to music. Sorry. So I'll play some copyright free songs. So right now it's on 60% volume. Let me increase the volume. So it's the maximum volume. Right now it's in 60% volume. You can see. Increase the volume to maximum.